Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify email on the Delta Exchange app. When you create an account on Delta Exchange, you must verify your email address to activate your account and secure it. Email verification confirms that the email belongs to you and allows you to start using the platform's trading features. Usually verification is done using a one-time password OTP sent to your email during the sign-up process, and below is a step-by-step guide to verifying your email on the Delta Exchange app. So first, open to your Delta Exchange app on a device, and when the app launches, go to the sign up with account creation. In the top right corner we can find this small icon of your profile. Select there, and over here in the top right corner we can find this get verified just beside your email address. Tap over there, and over here your profile is unverified. Select verified here. Over here you need to tap on the verify now on the bottom, and over here what you can do is you need to proceed to your selecting your national ID, driver's license and a password, and enter your personal information, full legal name, and upload identity documents, our verifications, and submit verification after that. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you.